spread. It has converted Toronto into a desert of snow. You can see one more dog with his owner walking. Yes, still. So weather is brutal since last night. Very truly since last evening, yesterday evening. So I came back from my office in snow, heavy snow storm, and it was a very hard travel for me to reach at the subway station by foot. Brutal weather.
Next stop, 46 Overley Boulevard.
So we should have to ready for the after effects of this heavy snow when the wind chill will blow and temperature will get more very low, around minus 25 or minus 30. I am looking that situation. May Almighty Allah and God save us from this weather.
Next stop, Thorncliffe Park Drive West.
See, it is not easy to walk in the snow because the roads and footpaths are not clear. The snow removal guys, I don't know where they are. They are not doing their duty. They should do some work because